Welcome to our guide to the best hiking boots, designed to help you choose footwear that will keep your feet comfortable, supported, and protected on every trail. Whether you're heading out for a weekend hike, a long backpacking trip, or just enjoying nature on rugged terrain, the right pair of hiking boots makes all the difference. Today, we're breaking down 5 top-rated men's hiking boots with different strengths, from sturdy waterproof protection to lightweight comfort and multi-season performance. We'll walk through what makes each boot stand out so you can feel confident selecting the best pair for your next adventure. Let's get started. The Nordiv 8 men's waterproof hiking boots are a strong all-around choice for hikers who want dependable performance in variable weather and terrain. Built with a waterproof membrane and rugged construction, these boots keep moisture out while maintaining breathability, which is essential when you're navigating wet trails, stream crossings, or unpredictable mountain weather. The traction on the outsole grips dirt, rocks, and mud with confidence, helping you stay stable even on slippery surfaces. Inside, the cushioned midsole and supportive arch give you comfort over long distances, reducing foot fatigue on challenging terrain. Hikers often note that the fit is snug without being overly tight, and the reinforced toe cap helps protect your feet from bumps and roots along the trail. Whether you're tackling day hikes or multi-day backpacking, these boots balance waterproof protection, comfort, and traction for reliable performance in the great outdoors. For hikers who are likely to explore colder weather or snowy conditions, the Expedi insulated non-slip outdoor boots bring added warmth and safety to your trail footwear. These boots combine insulation with rugged tread designed for traction on wet, icy, or uneven ground. The added insulation helps keep your feet warm when temperatures dip, making them a good option for fall, winter, or high-altitude hikes. The non-slip outsole offers excellent grip on slick rock and packed snow, helping you maintain secure footing when conditions are less than ideal. While warmer boots like these may feel a bit heavier and more insulated than summer-only hiking shoes, they excel in challenging cooling conditions and provide confidence on moody trails where weather shifts are part of the experience. If you enjoy year-round hiking or need boots that perform well in colder seasons, the Expedi insulated design gives you protection and peace of mind. A standout option for hikers who prioritize comfort without sacrificing trail capability is the Skechers men's Relmont Pelmo hiking boots. Skechers is known for cushioning and supportive designs, and this model leverages that strength to deliver a very comfortable ride right out of the box. Featuring a plush midsole and supportive footbed, these boots absorb impact well, which can help reduce fatigue when you're covering long miles. The tread pattern provides solid grip over packed dirt and gravel, while the breathable upper helps keep your feet comfortable on warmer days. Users often mention that these boots feel break-in ready, with less stiffness than some traditional backpacking boots. While they may not have the aggressive tread of heavier mountaineering boots, they strike a great balance for day hikes, light trail use, and general outdoor exploration. If comfort and ease of use are your top priorities, the Skechers Relmont Pelmo is a solid choice that doesn't feel like traditional stiff hiking footwear. For hikers seeking a versatile pair that works on the trail and looks good off the trail, the Vosti men's boots hiking casual boots deliver a casual yet capable solution. These boots bridge the gap between rugged outdoor performance and everyday wear, making them practical for hikes, travel, and outdoor-oriented daily use. The cushioned interior and supportive sole make them comfortable for all-day wear, while the outsole offers respectable traction over varied surfaces. The construction typically blends durable textiles and synthetic materials for breathability and moderate weather resistance. Users often appreciate how these boots feel lighter and more flexible than heavyweight hiking boots, without sacrificing the grip and support needed for moderate difficulty trails. If your hikes are more casual or mixed with everyday activities, the Vosti men's boots provide a comfortable, multi-purpose option that doesn't look out of place once your hike transitions back to town. Topping our list is the Merrell men's Moab 3 mid-hiking boot, one of the most trusted and well-rounded hiking boots available today. Merrell's Moab line has earned a reputation for delivering dependable performance, comfort, and durability, and the Moab 3 mid continues that tradition with refinements to fit, support, and traction. The mid-height design offers excellent ankle support without restricting mobility, which helps stabilize your feet as you navigate rocky, uneven terrain. With a moisture-wicking lining and breathable upper, these boots balance waterproofing with ventilation, making them suitable for a wide range of temperatures and trail conditions. The outsole features a rugged grip pattern that handles loose gravel, dirt and wet surfaces with confidence. Inside, the cushioning and arch support help reduce foot fatigue on longer hikes, making the Moab 3 Mid a reliable choice for both day hikes and extended backpacking routes. Hikers of all skill levels frequently cite the Merrell Moab series as a go-to boot because it combines comfort, protection, and consistent trail performance. As you're deciding which hiking boots are right for you, think about the terrain you'll encounter most often, the weather conditions you'll face, and how much cushioning and ankle support you prefer. Waterproof and insulated options like the Nordiv 8 and Expedi boots excel on wet and colder trails, while comfort-oriented designs like the Skechers Relmont Pelmo and casual versatile Vosti work well for lighter hikes and everyday use. For a trusted all-around performer with excellent balance and durability, the Merrell Moab 3 Mid hiking boot remains a standout choice. Thank you for joining our review of the best hiking boots available today. Which pair would you take on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest outdoor gear reviews. Check the description for current deals so you can grab the perfect hiking boots for your next trek today. Thanks for watching.